Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of LuxAlgo and AlgoPro, two of the most hyped trading tools on the market. Whether you're scalping crypto, you're day trading stocks, or swinging forex, one tool that can give you an edge is an high-quality trading indicator suite. But with so many options out there, which one truly delivers in 2025? I'll break down their features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and help you decide which is the right fit for your strategy. First up, we talk about LuxAlgo. If you spent any time on TradingView, you've probably seen their name pop up. LuxAlgo is one of the most widely used premium indicator suites on the market, with a reputation for bringing cutting-edge tools to retail traders. They offer a massive toolbox, including real-time signals, automated smart overlays, market structure detection, AI-based backtesting, and dashboards. They're really going beyond just throwing indicators on your charts. They're giving traders tools that behave like a professional assistant. What really stands out is how LuxAlgo combines machine learning with technical analysis. Things like an AI strategy assistant that helps you backtest and refine your trading ideas without any coding knowledge. LuxAlgo is ideal for traders who love customization and want to visually understand market behavior. Plus, they support multiple charting platforms beyond TradingView, which gives them a serious edge. Now let us talk about AlgoPro. AlgoPro was created by a team with over 20 years of trading experience, and their goal is simply unique. Help traders get real, actionable signals without being overwhelmed. AlgoPro offers a streamlined TradingView suite with more than 70 indicators under the hood, all wrapped into a system that's easy to use and responsive to market conditions. They've got tools like their strategy lab, where you can test different strategies in real time. Plus, their VIP Discord community is filled with curated insights and alerts from professional traders. What makes AlgoPro different is its focus on simplicity and real-time relevance. The indicators don't just light up on every candle. They're built to signal high probability moves that are backed by data. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. First, LuxAlgo. Smart signal and overlay toolkits. You get buy or sell signals, trend confirmation, reversal detection, and volume-based overlays. Price action concepts. It visualizes market structure with auto-detection of support or resistance, order blocks, and liquidity zones. AI strategy assistance. This is their newest feature, helping you test and build strategies using AI-guided parameters. Oscillator matrix for momentum trading and divergence spotting. Multi-time frame analysis tools. They are perfect for swing traders or long-term investors. And of course, they work with multiple platforms, not just TradingView. It also supports other platforms like NinjaTrader, TrendSpider, and lots more. And there's a community access, a huge Discord with educational materials and mentorship access. Let us talk about AlgoPro, the key features. The Smart Suite, a consolidated toolkit of trend following, mean reversion, and breakout signals. The Strategy Lab. This lets you track your trades live and analyze performance over time. Think of this as an always-on strategy dashboard. Real-time alerts. Custom alerts that are configurable for stocks, crypto, and forex. Backtesting engine. You can build strategies and simulate them over past data to see how they perform. TradingView native. All tools run directly inside TradingView charts, no complex setups. And VIP Discord access. They also have regular live calls, trade setups, and market outlooks from experienced analysts on Discord. So what is the pricing like? For LuxAlgo, there are two essential plans. The premium plan at $39.99 per month and the ultimate plan at $59.99 per month. You save up to 50% off when you do the yearly subscription, especially on the ultimate plan. They also claim to have a 30-day refund guarantee, which is great if you're not sure of what you signed up for. And AlgoPro, The Essential plan costs $29.99 per month, the Premium plan costs $49.99 per month, and the AlgoPro Ultimate plan costs $89.99 per month. Of course, you save more when you do the yearly subscription. What are the pros and cons of each of these platforms? We start with the pros. First, LuxAlgo. Cutting-edge AI tools for serious traders. Clean, customizable interface with detailed overlays. Huge community with real-time support and great value at the base pricing tiers. And the pros of AlgoPro? Simplified approach with high probability signals. Strategy Lab makes live trade tracking a breeze, and it's easy to start for beginners. It's also great for stock, forex, and crypto traders alike. What are the cons of LuxAlgo? Slight learning curve for beginners, and some tools may feel overwhelming if you're not into advanced technical analysis. And the cons of AlgoPro? Higher tiers are quite pricey. Community is sold but not as large or diverse as LuxAlgo's, and there are limited support for platforms outside TradingView. So which platform takes the crown in 2025? Well, the answer depends on who you are as a trader. If you're someone who wants the most complete AI-enhanced experience with endless tools to test and refine, LuxAlgo is hands down the winner. It's ideal for intermediate to advanced traders who want depth, flexibility, and innovation. It's also more affordable if you're going with the base plan. But if you're a trader who prefers charity over complexity and you want strategies that just work, AlgoPro is an excellent choice. It's a no-fuss platform designed to help you trade with precision, especially if you prefer sticking to TradingView and value real-time feedback. Well, both are powerful, but LuxAlgo edges out as the best all-in-one toolkit for 2025, especially thanks to its AI strategy assistant and broader compatibility. That's it on the comparison between LuxAlgo and AlgoPro. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore TradingView, AutoChartist, and TrendSpider. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.